been made on the pole. So people wanted to see me running the 1998 Hoover Elite Legacy Supreme U5072-930. So let's get that going, shall we? Well, you guys can see the vacuum was propelling itself going forward on the rug, which I thought was kind of funny. I don't know why the vacuum sounds like it's been through a bore since last time I ran it, because that one stream I made about this vacuum, it just sounded like crap, and now it sounds slightly better, but I don't know, I guess it's just the spindle on the vacuum or something's wrong with it, I don't know. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be making more polls later in the future of what vacuum cleaner you guys want to see me running.